Alright, got a call for no hot water. Gas is on, gas is on. That's normal operation. Listen to those stinking ass dogs, dude. Holy cow. Kick those across the freaking room, dude. Okay, so it looks like this is the one. Not twerking. Okay. Turn it to pilot 2. I don't know what happened. We had a major rainstorm, but this is... I mean, a little bit of water got down here, but as you can see, it's kind of covered by that. So, yeah. All right, let's relight this. There you go. You can hear it working now. It's getting warm. All right. Some lemons, oranges. Those look pretty good, huh?